Alright, welcome. Now in this video I'm going to be walking you through the most important aspect of online marketing. Alright, the most important aspect of affiliate marketing, which is the sales funnel. Alright, for every beginner, a whole lot of beginners out there doesn't understand what a sales funnel is, but the sales funnel is the most important aspect of affiliate marketing. Alright, so when you gain mastery of the sales funnel, you gain mastery of affiliate marketing. Okay, and you live the life of your dream. You live life in your own terms. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through and showing you the components of the sales funnel, which is where every other conversion happens. All right, so if you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you're here, please subscribe to this channel. All right, and hit the notification button so that you actually know when each time when I upload a video, because I promised on this channel that I'm going to be bringing up a whole lot of tips and tricks, all right, that will give you results doing affiliate marketing. All right, and if you're not new, please leave a comment and hit the like button. All right, now I invite you to join me straight on to my computer screen so that I can show you. All right, thank you. All right, if you look at my screen, you're going to see this is an overview. This is an overview of what a sales funnel or a sales process should look like. All right, every business that is done on the internet, every online marketing business is resting on a funnel, is built upon a funnel. Okay, and what is a sales funnel? All right, what is a sales funnel? Now a sales funnel is basically a series of web pages, okay, that walks your visitors through your sales process. All right, and the intention is to convert your visitors to buyers. That is the intention. All right, so when it comes to doing affiliate marketing or online marketing, you must know about how to create a sales funnel, and this is why I'm doing a brief on sales funnel. All right, I'm going to be doing more in-depth videos on sales funnel. So what happens is that when you pick up an offer, or a product, all right, you generate traffic. It could be paid traffic, or it could be an organic traffic. Organic traffic means a free traffic. All right, and there are different platforms where you can go and get your traffic from. It can be from Facebook, all right, it can be from Instagram, it can be from YouTube, wherever. All right, your traffic simply refer to your visitors. Okay, so you generate traffic and you send your traffic to your capture page. All right, now this is a capture page. You can also call it a landing page. Now a landing page is simply where you gather contact, your visitors contact. You gather their contact at this point. All right, and you got to know how to create a converting landing page, a powerful landing page. All right, because this is first impression. This is where your visitor gets first impression. All right, so you got to know. All right, now for me, when it comes to creating my landing pages for my online marketing, all right, I use GetResponse. GetResponse has a very good and easy to understand tools to create your landing page. So in your right here, you capture the contacts of your visitors. All right, and before then you must have prepared sequences of email. All right, email sequences, and that is also something that you can do through GetResponse, all right, through the autoresponder. You create series of email with which you bombard your contact with. You bombard them with email to persuade them to take action. All right, these are some of the basic things that you need to do. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit on the notification button, and leave a comment if what I'm doing is informative. All right, now if you look at here, I wrote sales funnel. This is simply this what we call the sales funnels. All right, these are the sales from the capture page to the thank you page, to the sales page, and then to the sales form. This is where the action take place. All right, this is your goal, where you're driving, where you're actually taking your customer on this journey to. You want him to convert, all right, and buy from you. So you have to learn how to, when it comes to doing digital marketing or affiliate marketing, all right, or online marketing, whatever thing, or internet marketing, as long as it rests on the internet, it runs on the internet, you have to know how to create your sales funnel. And these are what make up your sales funnel: your capture page, your thank you page, all right, where you thank your visitors for signing in, and then you link up to the sales page with your affiliate link. So when they click on your affiliate link, which is going to be here, the affiliate link takes them to the sales page. Now the sales page is a standalone web page that describes the customer experience. All right, it describes the benefits, what the customer stands to benefit from what you're trying to sell to him or her. So at this point is very, very important. This page is very, very important. So whatever product you're marketing or offer you're marketing, please make sure that the sales page is highly converting, is powerful. All right, that the presentation here of the product is captivating. It must be captivating so as to generate sales for you. All right, so this is simply an overview. Of the basics of affiliate marketing. This is the foundation upon which affiliate marketing rests on. All right. It is the foundation upon which any business that is done online rests on: your sales funnel. Okay, your sales funnel. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Leave a comment if this resonates with you. Please leave a comment. Please help this channel to continue to grow. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you.